what you're doing, alright? But like I've said time and time again, I have to continue studying now. I can't attend to you. What do you mean? Quite the contrary. You've been distracting me for the past, a little over an hour. No. I want to clarify. The distractions have been very nice and I enjoy them greatly. However, I do have an exam tomorrow. So, I'm going to have to sit down and hit the books and really focus. And if you really want to help me out, you can make me a coffee or a sandwich or something, but I really do have to focus. Now, as I said, any other time, and those distractions would be more than welcome, and they wouldn't even be considered distractions. I could consider them the main attraction, and I'd give you and your twins my full focus, but for now, I don't think I can afford that. Well, maybe you don't understand because you don't have any exams coming up, and so you have more free time, right? But it's not the case for me, baby. So how about this? I'll start studying now, and in about 2 hours, we can take a break. Oh, come on. Are you really gonna try that? So, you're telling me that you want to massage me. Okay, well, we both know what's going on here. You're gonna try to reach down past my waist. So, to prevent that, we're gonna have a few rules here, okay? You can massage me with whatever finger, hand, knuckle, elbow, anything on your arm, okay? And you can massage my neck, my scalp, my shoulders, anything. But you cannot, absolutely cannot, okay, 100%, do anything below the waist. That is the restricted area for now, okay? Okay, well, I'm glad that you understand. Alright. So let me go ahead and open up my notes. Baby, I know you love massaging me, but I have to focus, okay? Yes, it does feel nice, and I can feel you rubbing up against me, but as I said, I need to focus on the material and not your lovely touch, okay? You're really testing my patience here, aren't you? You see, your hand is trying to go down again. You see, this is what I was talking about. No. Stay above the waist. You see, I knew it. I was anticipating that's what's gonna happen. Okay. And now you're kissing me on the neck. Baby, I don't know if that's part of the massage. Listen, I know that you're bored, and I know what you're trying to do, and it's not gonna work. And while, yes, that was a nice kiss, I know that I should be looking at my books. What? You want to go do yoga? Okay, fine. I'm not gonna join, and I'm not even looking. Okay, so Go get your mat and do whatever you want. Sure. What's that pose called again? Downward dog. Yeah. I know you're angling at me on purpose. And it does look good. And I'm trying to concentrate, but you are making a lot of noise. A lot of excessive noise. That's why I'm looking. I don't remember this much noise last time you did yoga. Well, baby, this clearly isn't working, alright? Why don't we do this? Let's compromise, okay? For the next few minutes, we are gonna do whatever you want, okay? Anything. Anything you want. And so that afterwards you'll be sleepy and you can leave me alone and I can focus on my studies, alright? Does that sound good? Great, come over here. Oh, baby, you're just so amazing, and I love seeing your body react to mine. I can't even think of the words to describe you when we're together, fooling around like this. I just love to cuddle you. And I love it when we stroke each other. And I love it when we do all these silly, funny little romantic gestures. You're just so damn perfect. Oh, and I really love the curve of your thigh. And your skin is just so soft and very velvety smooth. And just every time I run my hands over it, your eyes seem to give away that you love me. You fell for me, didn't you? Oh, yes. And I love the warmth of your hug. It just makes me feel like we belong together forever. And I love when you're pressed up against me and when we're just feeling like two peas in a pod. Just so warm and so much cushioning. I love it. Did you know that your lips are so damn soft? I just really love the feel of them. And they're so plump and squishy and soft and squishy and soft. I just really wish I could have found you earlier. And then we could have had more time together. Wouldn't that be nice, darling? I absolutely love it when you do that little trick with your tongue. Not just on my skin, but when we're kissing as well. I like it that we're so feral, just trying to get inside each other, and you're really hot. And I don't mean that just figuratively. You're really warm to the touch. And I like that. Oh, baby, I really appreciated that time together with you. However, this isn't a live stream. It is a video. The video does have to have an ending, right? Go ahead, like and subscribe. I would really be grateful if you did that. And I'll continue to make audios in return. And, yeah. I love you. 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 I swear.